Okay, so we're going to show you the burpees. So again, everything has to do with the core. So stack these ribs up on top of the hips. Perfect. So you're lifting that up, and the shoulder blades are back and down. Arms are stacked on top of the wrists. So bring your wrist back just a little bit more. A little bit more. Good. Now bring this guy back up. All right, now show me your burpees. Excellent. All the way back down. Good. And when you start, oops, sorry, all the way back again. Good. Slow it down. Think about the ribs. Every single time, everybody's going to have to reset. And to keep it safe, the shoulders and hands should be on top of each other. So bring those back down. Now do it again. There, back, and then come back down slow. Good. And if you want to advance it even more, you can turn it into a push-up from this and try to get the push-up going in there and then back up. Right now, this is just too advanced for most people. As you can see, core is sacrificed. Good. And then back up. Excellent. Good job.